Assalamualaikum, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is KhanZadi and today we are going to kickstart the second episode of the Medibang Paint Pro basic series. In the first episode of a Medibang Paint Pro, we learned the basic use of the first 4 tools and now we're gonna learn furthermore. I'm going to go to the more tools in the software that will help you feel more confidence and hopefully you get you excited about doing more digital art. So make sure to watch the part 1 before you continue this one. So let's get started. At first we're gonna talk about the bucket tool. An area surrounded by a line can be filled in with the click of a fill tool. As you can see the sketch of the flower on your screen, now we're gonna color it with the help of the bucket tool. I'm going to pick up the yellow color to fill the circle with just one click. And now pink color for the petals by just clicking on them and it easily getting filled. And now we're gonna use the green color for the stem. Now you can see our flower is completely filled. Now we're gonna pick up the color for the background blue. Now you can see our simple flower sketch is ready. Now we're gonna learn the furthermore tools. Our next tool is the gradient tool. With this tool you can make a gradient. I just removed the previous background and I want to make the gradient background for my flower. So I'm gonna pick up the 2 color for my background and just with the one click you can see it's mixed the color and it's looking pretty cool. And this is what the gradient tool too. You can apply it on a selected surface or for your background. It's quite so easy and a simple tool. Our next tool is the select tool. If you click on the drop down menu as shown above, you can choose the selection shape: rectangle, ellipse or polygon. Select the rectangle and draw it on the canvas. And now I'm going to pick up the any color which I want and color inside the box. You can see my color is not getting out because I just select the area with the help of the select tool and it color inside the box. Now I use the ellipse with the same method and draw the oval shape and color inside it. And my color didn't get out. You can erase inside the selected area and draw. The next tool is the lasso tool. You can make a selection just like select tool, but in this case you can make a selection by drawing in the shape you want your selection to be. As I select inside the petal with the help of the lasso tool and color it with the baby pink. You can change the color of any surface wherever you want. This is gonna be helpful for you when you draw an eyes. You can color it with the help of the lasso tool. As you can see, I'm just selecting the surface with the help of the lasso tool and changing the color easily. Our next tool is the magic wand tool. This is the another type of selection tool. If you click an area or a color surrounded by a line or touch a line using a magic wand tool, the selection will be created depending on the shape of the color you click on. Our next tool is the select pen tool. Just like the select tool, you can make a selection with this tool. This is another type of the selection tool. You can use this to draw on the area you want selected. Wherever you want, you don't need to draw triangle, rectangle or ellipse or anything. Just right beneath the select pen tool, you can see the select eraser tool. This used to erase the select pen selection. Like for example, I'm selecting the stem of the flower and you can see some of the selection goes out of the stem. So I want to erase it with the help of the select eraser tool. So I just want that my color, when I color anything, will be stay inside the stem, not outside. So I erase the selected area which I select with the select pen tool. Our next tool is the text tool. This tool allows you to type on the canvas. If you click somewhere with the text tool, the text edit window will appear. In this window, you can choose a font, text size and other details. I'm going to write my channel name KhanZadi Art, and I will edit the font and text size and give it to a color. It's gonna suit to my background, and then I will. Okay, now you can see KhanZadi Art is appear on my canvas, but the color matches with the background or my flower, and also with the box. You can see I want to change the color and the font size, and also reduce the text size. Now I put it to the red. You can see it's looking really good. I select the rectangle and drop beneath. You can see I just now it's looking pretty nice and cool. Our next tool is the eyedropper tool. If you click a color area on the canvas, the color you clicked will become the foreground color in the color window. As you can see, we color our flower with the different colors, and with the help of the eyedropper tool, I just selecting any color. And with the help of the eyedropper tool, you're not gonna forget your color. You just easily get back to your color which you was used before. Our next tool is the hand tool. By clicking and dragging the screen using the hand tool, canvas will be moved around. Unlike the move tool, you can only move the entire canvas, which means there will be no change to the drawing on the canvas. So you don't need to worry about that you're going to use the hand tool. You think this is going to be affect your drawing, but this will not gonna affect your drawing. This is just gonna move your canvas. Alright. You can see on the right side of the software there's a Navigator Window bar. On this window you can zoom in and zoom out the drawing and rotate the drawing, and by clicking the box you can just fix your frame, and you can use the bar line to rotate. Layer 2, you can see there's the opacity and the blending. With the opacity you can reduce the opacity of the layer, and with the blending is so interesting and it's so helpful for the drawing. We're gonna learn it in our future class. We're gonna also learn about the layers while drawing the art, specific art. Alright, you can see down there a reference, and you can import your drawing picture, and you can see the brush size. You can also use the shortcut Control plus Alt and drag your mouse, reduce and increase the brush size. That's all for today. I hope the tools and technique discussed today will help you with your artwork in the future. As you can apply these tools anything that you can come up. If you like the video, make sure to leave a like on the video and leave a comment suggestion that what should I do next. If you would like to see more content, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you never miss, and I will see you in the next video. Bye and fi manillah.